Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So we are at Dollar General and we are about to get into some deals that you can do right now. Really just a deal that you can do right now. So we are always trying to stock up on some paper products, and I think people are trying to stock up on paper products even more than ever right now with everything that we have going on. So we're going to do a quick paper product deal that you can do right now and take advantage of some really good savings. So we are going to do this instant savings deal where you save $3 instantly when you spend $15 on Cottonelle, Scott, Kleenex, Hefty, Viva. We have been doing this deal forever. It has been going on forever, and I love this deal. So in today's deal, what we're going to grab is some of the 6 packs of Scott tissue paper. So my store is not tagged, but these are actually on sale for $2.50. The regular price is $3 each. So you're automatically getting 50 cents in savings with the markdown to $2.50 a pack. So we need to get at least $15 worth so we can get some more savings and save $3 instantly. So in today's deal, we're going to pick up 6 packs of the 6 packs. Okay, you guys, so here is my 6 packs of 6-pack tissue paper. So let's talk about the breakdown on this really quick. So these are $2.50 a piece. We are going to pick up 6 of them. That totals us $15. We should save $3 instantly after the cashier presses total for our instant savings promotion, bringing it down to just $12. This is where our coupons are going to come into play. So we don't have any digital coupons for the Scott 6-pack, but we do have some printable coupons, and we got coupons in our Smart Source this past Sunday, which I think is the 3/8 Smart Source. So we have 50 cent off coupons there. So let me show you the coupons that I am going to use. So I'm going to use 2 printable coupons for $1 off of one. So that will bring our total down. I have 2 of these that I've printed from the Scott website. I will have this website linked down below. Now, something you should note about this website is that it gives different accounts different amounts of coupons. So some people will get 50-cent coupons, some people will get 75 cents, and some people will get $1. So on this account, I got $1 off coupons. So I am going to use 2 of these. And then I am going to use 4 of the coupons from this past Sunday's Smart Source. So this will take off another $2 in savings because these coupons are only 50 cents in value. So we're going to save $2 from my printable coupons and then $2 from my insert coupon. So that's a total of $4 in coupon savings. So after our instant savings plus those coupon savings, we should be at $8 for 6 packs of tissue, which is a really good deal. When you consider the fact that these are $3 a piece normally, so 6 of them will cost us $18 if we're just to come in and buy them, that we're going to get these down to $8. We're going to have over 50% in savings on this tissue. Since I'm not using any digital coupons, the only thing that I need to do is wait for the cashier to enter total. To verify that my instant savings comes off, I don't have to enter in any phone number. I'm just going to hand her my paper coupons after those instant savings are applied. Now, this is not my normal coupon-friendly store. This is actually the store that I was at, I think, a couple weeks ago, where I told you guys the cashier was very not coupon-friendly. So I'm hoping all goes well with my coupons, especially the printable coupons. So I know some of you guys have a tough time with your store accepting printable coupons. If that's the case, then you will need to use all insert coupons for your deal. And you should also keep in mind that the Dollar General system has a limit of 5 coupons, which is why I'm using 4 of the insert coupons and 2 of the printable coupons. So without further ado, let's go up and check out and see how this deal works. You had to pull out the glasses.
Yes. My boss has gotten so strict. I don't know, she'll let me do it.
For what?
Consumer limit 1 coupon per purchase.
I'm purchasing 6, so it's limit 1 per purchase. Okay. Every coupon in America says limit 1 per purchase.
She won't let us take it 1 though. Correct. If it says 1, you get 1. That's what she says. I'm talking.
Yeah, that's
my
not.
phone would stop freezing up. I got yelled at way too bad last time I did it.
Yeah, that's not what that means.
Limit 1 per purchase? Don't mean 1 per purchase?
No, limit 1 per purchase means for every one that I'm purchasing, I can use 1 coupon. Like you see, this says limit 1 per.
Say all that. You made a piece of paper about coupons and color coupon please.
Yeah, you'll see, like this one says limit 1 per purchase too, but you see the next line says limit 2 in the same shopping trip.
I'm sick. Hey, are you sleeping? I have a coupon question. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the little tiny Scots that's on the top shelf.
There's 6 rolls.
The Scott toilet paper, the little one that's on the top shelf. The little tiny ones, you know, the little 6-pack. And it says save 50 cents. And a 6 or more roll of Scott tissue. Consumer limit 1 coupon purchase on product. Quantity specified. Only 1 coupon per product purchase cannot be combined with any other coupon. Can I take 6? 5?
There are 2 different coupons.
Do you have a problem with doing different transactions?
There's 2 different coupons, so it's 4 of those and 2 of those.
There's 4 of one kind and then there's $1 off the other 2. 50 cents off and then there's $1 off the other one. Same toilet paper. I'll read it one more time. Okay. Limit 1 coupon per purchase on product. Only 1 coupon per product purchase cannot be combined with any other coupon. Alright, sorry. Bye.
I'm sorry for stressing you out. Oh, that's for deodorant. I was just showing you those. I was just showing you those.
It's my chest right in the morning, like a warning.
Oh my goodness, you guys. So did y'all just see that? I literally just had the coupon police called on me about those Scott coupons. She literally just called and woke her manager up, who she called the coupon police, out of her sleep to talk about my Scott coupons and read her the verbiage on the coupon. I tell you guys all the time that 1 per purchase thing, if you have watched my couponing 101 video, that limit 1 per purchase is the devil when it comes to couponing. All cashiers want to say that limit means that you can only purchase 1 item or use 1 coupon. That is not what that means. That means for every item I'm purchasing, I can use 1 coupon. I'm purchasing 6. I'm about to hand you 6 coupons, ma'am. So as y'all can see, she took them and everything worked out well. So for our 6 packs of Scott, we only paid $8. It's a little dark now. Can y'all see my receipt? There's all of our instant savings. Those came off just fine. And then our subtotal came up to $8 for those 6 items. So that's like paying a little over $1 a pack, like $1.30 something cents a pack, I think, for the Scott. Not bad at all. Hopefully you guys have an easier time than me when it comes to using all of your coupons. And if you don't, I hope that you stay patient patient and just hold your tongue and try to be nice when they try it, because that is just par for the course when it comes to couponing. So, as always, I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button. You know I will talk to you soon. Bye.